Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue with the listening part on 162 page number Words and Expression book, unit number 11, class 9th. As you all know, in last video we have completed till editing part, that is on 161 page number of Words and Expression book. And if you haven't checked those videos, then the link is in the description, guys. Check it out. And let's begin with listening part. First question: Listen to the story of Shibi Rana and answer the questions that follow. And what you have to do is very simple. You have to read this passage and answer the given questions. एंड मतलब जब आप पैसेज रीड करोगे, यहाँ पे दो मीनिंग दिए हुए हैं. दिस वर्ड इज़ हेयर एंड दिस वर्ड इज़ हेयर. मतलब आपको इनके मीनिंग्स पता चल जाएंगे तो आपके लिए पैसेज का आपको मतलब समझना इजी हो जाएगा. इन दो वर्ड्स ये डिफ़िकल्ट एंड डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स इन दिस पैसेज आर दीज टू. So let's begin with the first question, that is, why were the gods in heaven afraid of King Shibi? The gods in heaven were afraid of King Shibi. The answer is the gods in heaven were afraid of King Shibi, capital K and S, that he might, and the spelling of Shibi is right, that he might take away their kingdoms. जैसे कि आप सबको पता ही है, मतलब जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोई भी पैसेज में पूछा जाए, मतलब वो फर्स्ट या सेकंड स्टैंजे में हमें मिल ही जाता है. तो ये रहा उसका आंसर. दे फियर दैट शिबी माइट टेक अवे देयर किंगडम. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट मेड ईगल एंग्री? What made eagle angry? The eagle got angry that King Shibi had taken away his food in the form of the dove. Yeah. So here we are having answer of second question. The eagle got angry that King Shibi had taken away his food in the form of dove. So here is answer. The king argued that the eagle argued that the king has taken away his food. Next we are having third question. What did the eagle demand? So now we are going to write the answer of third question. This eagle demanded King Shibi's flesh. So here we are having answer of third question. The eagle demanded King Shibi's flesh. Okay. Next, was the eagle satisfied? Yes, if you're going to read the text, then you will come to know, yes, the eagle was satisfied. Eagle was satisfied with the justice done by King Shibi in his having offered his flesh in lieu of the dove. So here we are having answer of fourth one. Yeah. The eagle was satisfied with the justice done by King Shibi in his having offered his flesh in lieu of the dove. Next we are having fifth question, that is, who were in disguise of the eagle and the dove. Let's write. Indistinguish. Indistinguish. The eagle. Eagle was Indra. Was Indra the king. The king of gods. And the dove Agni, the god, capital G, the god of fire. Here this O will be small. Here we are having answer of fifth question. Next is sixth question. King Shibi was blessed for his. King Shibi was blessed for his benevolence, or you can say, and greatness. This is answer of sixth question. So next we are having speaking part, which consists of two parts. First one is, what you need to do is very simple. In a group of 4, discuss and take down note based on the discussion. Here this is given, you have to read the same. Second is, you may talk to the manager of a bank, cyber crime cell, etc. about online identity theft cases and measures to avoid them. What you need to do is very simple. You have to put your views instead of others, and in an assembly or in a class, I would say. It will help in increasing your speaking skills as well as your thinking skills. I can just give you idea. You can write that you guys can create awareness about online identity theft in the public by holding discussions and distributing leaflets meaning pamphlets, जो एक थिन बुक नहीं होती है जिसमें मतलब आपके टॉपिक के रिलेटेड क्या होता है, आपके टॉपिक के रिलेटेड ही लिखा होता है. What you can distribute leaflets and inviting the affected people and listening to them, and you can also do so through postures. So with this, I have given you idea about speaking part. Let's begin with next part, that is writing part. Here writing part consists of two parts. One is on 163 page number and second one is on 164 page number, and you have to write first one on your notebook because space is not provided for the same, and for second one the space is provided on 164 page number. So in first we have to do, sometimes we think about what we are like. इसमें क्या है कि मतलब हम कभी कभी सोचते हैं कि हम कैसे एक जैसे और कैसे अलग हैं. हमारे मतलब हम सभी इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज हमारे फिजिकल डिफरेंसेस हैं, एटीट्यूड्स ऑफ लाइफ वो भी डिफरेंट है. फिजिकल डिफरेंसेस लाइक सम आर फिजिकली फिट and some are physically weak, and some are handicapped, and some are well and good. ऐसे मतलब एटीट्यूड्स ऑफ लाइफ एंड फिजिकल डिफरेंसेस हमारे बहुत हैं. उसमें हमें क्या करना है, 300 से 400 वर्ड्स में हमें लिखना है अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज के बारे में. सो लेट्स बिगिन. आई एम गोना राइट दिस ऑन ब्लैक स्क्रीन, आई वुड से, सो दैट यू विल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द सेम. सो लेट्स बिगिन. So guys, here we are having first पार्ट सोल्यूशन ऑफ राइटिंग। मैंने एक्चुअली जब मैं टाइप कर रही थी मैंने वीडियो फास्ट कर दी, जिससे आप लाइक वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबी भी नहीं होगी। सो ये आप देख लेना इसमें क्या बताया है, मतलब ऐसे बताया कि हम सभी डिफरेंट है, बट फिर भी हमें मतलब किसी के साथ लाइक हमें हमारी जो हमें लाइफ मिली है वो हमें चोरियों या लाइक क्राइम्स में नहीं बतानी चाहिए, और हमें लाइक पीस से रहना चाहिए, सबके साथ प्यार से बात करनी चाहिए, एंड हमें अपनी लाइफ है वो इनोसेंट तरीके से जीनी चाहिए। बस इसमें यही लिखा है, और यहाँ पे एक लाइन है, मतलब इस लाइन्स में यही है कि हमें एक ना एक दिन तो मरने हैं, क्यों ना लाइफ हम अच्छी जी के मरें। सो here we are having solutions of first part. Let's begin with second part. As you all know, next we are having second part, that is on 164 page number of words and expression book 1, that is of class 9. Second part says that complete the following story. It has to be scary story that terrifies people. Give a suitable title to the story. So here some lines are given which can give us idea that this story is about. So what we have to do is very simple. We have to give the title that we are going to give at last, and we have to continue our story from here. It is dangerous के बाद जो हम लाइन लिखेंगे वो इससे इंटरकनेक्टेड होगी ये लाइन्स। सो लेट्स बिगिन। मैंने इस पार्ट के सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे राइट कर दिए और आपको वीडियो वो फास्ट करके दिखा दी है, नहीं तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाती है सेकंड पार्ट के। तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने डॉट्स लगाई हैं। आप ये पैराग्राफ है, एट फर्स्ट आई वॉज ग्रेटली स्केयर्ड, आप ये यहाँ से भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो डॉट्स के बाद, या आप अगर यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करने जाते हो तो आगे डॉट्स लगा देना 3-4, सो दैट मतलब चेक करने वाले को पता लग जाए कि उन्होंने यहाँ से कंटिन्यू किया है। एंड फिर उन्होंने हमारे से टाइटल पूछा था, तो मैंने लिख दिया द गूस स्टोरी एंड ह्यूमन डेस्टिनी। एंड ये टाइटल वैसे परफेक्ट है, बाकी अगर आपको और कोई टाइटल सूटेबल लगता है आप वो भी लिख सकते हो, दैट्स योर विश। So with this we are completed with the writing part, and next we are having our project that is on 164 page number. You have to do it by own because no space is provided for writing, and you don't have to write anything. You have to make a project and student to do as directed, I would say. So guys, thank you so much for watching. With this we are completed with our words and expression 1, and in next video we are going to do words and expression 2. And guys, keep liking, sharing and watching our videos, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.